1994 Ford Ranger STX. All right, so I'm going to show you why this car would not start. So basically, I'll turn the ignition switch on, or the ignition lock cylinder on with the key, and nothing would happen. And so I came over here and I took my air intake off and I sprayed starter fluid in there, and it started up, but then it died. So I knew that was my fuel pump. And plus I didn't hear my fuel pump winding. So when you turn the key on, if you listen very closely, you hear your fuel pump winding. If you don't hear that, it's probably your fuel pump. So what I did is I went down to O'Reilly's, this auto parts store here in Lawrence, and I went and bought a brand new fuel pump, the whole assembly. It cost me $100, which I'm about to return because I don't need it. So what I did was got the fuel pump. I took the bed off, which is pretty easy actually. It's only, I think it was 1, 2, 3, 6 bolts. Bolts are in there. It's the bottom bolt, and so on. You take those bolts out, you take the lights out, the rear lights out of here, just 4 screws on each light, and the bed literally just lifts right off and flips over. Anyways, so I'm getting ready to replace the fuel pump, and I find out that this little thing right here was merely unplugged. How did it come unplugged? I do not know. Maybe I hit a bump and it just came off somehow, but this thing right here needs to be plugged in order for it to start. Now, that wasn't plugged in, so before I change the fuel pump, I just figured, hey, this is unplugged, let me plug it in. Plugged it in, and sure enough, watch this. Starts right up. All right, so if your vehicle doesn't start and it's a 1993 or anywhere in that age range Ford Ranger, be sure to look at your fuel pump first. Make sure it's plugged in. Thanks for watching. And if it's plugged in and it's still not working, then just replace the fuel pump. Thanks for watching. Bye.